Hey, let's do another one here. Okay, so we'll load up the site that we're trying to do, which is right here. So, where's my website hosted? Um, we'll pull the fresh set of guidelines in. So let me get here, and maybe we can use this as an opportunity to get really good instructions for this. Okay. Oops. So blog rewrite notes. Okay. So we tell it to please remember our guidelines. Oops. You don't even need to spell. Okay. So we tell it to remember the guidelines. So that's step one. Okay, I'm going to stop that as step one. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so now the step two is here's the prompt right here. Now here's the stuff we add. This is the template. The stuff we add is right here. So we're going to copy paste this whole thing, and how this changes, how this changes is this section. Oops, where'd we go here? The ad blog section, all the way down. And I could put end ad blog. That's the new stuff. That's the section that changes. So okay, let's copy paste this. Let's make sure it's refreshed. And then with anything, we can list this as questions. Is this title too long? And then okay, let's see what the best. Okay, this is the new title. So let's pause this. Okay, so we've come up with a new title. Where is my... So now, from that new title, give me primary and secondary. You can just put KW in those keywords. Okay. One of the errors of flags is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This really needs to be 4 words. Okay. Okay, so it actually updated the title. Okay, So now we are gonna, oh, no, sorry. Okay. Oh, I could have, I don't know what I'm thinking. Okay. Here. Okay, well, always open 2 instances of the site just in case there's links. Now we're gonna edit this post. We have our new title. Okay? And this new title, oh, okay, for whatever reason, it's not letting me edit this. I'm gonna reopen a new instance. This is good. Okay. Edit post. Okay. Where's my website hosted? Okay. We got this. Now we're gonna clean out our palette. So we're gonna clean out all this stuff. We don't need this anymore because we're gonna write new content. Where is my website? Hi. Okay. So let's start. Intro. And make sure to include the use of primary key phrase. And see, we learn as we go, because I think we're getting the error of the H2s and have naturally in the H2s. Please write intro and 2 H2s. Okay. It's trying to put the link in there. Sometimes it's where, here's another one. Okay. Make it so I can copy the editor. Okay, it's not, for whatever reason, I'm not gonna keep fighting it all day. So like this, we're gonna have to, AI is not perfect. Okay, we delete this. The link is empty. For whatever reason, it doesn't like to copy paste it. So we'll have to remove the links and start over again. Okay. Okay, so here. Okay. That's an H3. We're going to make this an H2. Drop it down, H2. Another H3. We're going to make it an H2. And we're going to tell our prompt to, because it's getting it wrong, it takes more time. Don't add the links, just make the links bold. Okay, keep watching this. These are called M dashes. No it did it right again. Just you might have to keep fighting it. Okay, finally it did it. Okay. So this is kind of what we want right here. And you could say do 2 at a time. It'd probably be faster. Okay. Turn off the bold. Now remember this is an H2. Each one of these should be H2. So we'll select heading. And now it's an H2, and that's fine. So what was this? WooCommerce and Shopify developer. So expertise, e-commerce. WooCommerce, right here. So a lot of these links are going to live under this expertise section. So you just kind of have to learn where it is. Okay, put in here. And ChatGPT on math is not great. And I know I saw Shopify. Here, Shopify developer. And let's see if that errors out. Sometimes when we're trying to link for a key phrase for something else that's trying to get used. Oh, see these? Okay. Web development. And one thing I keep forgetting to do is we should be checking the readability before we add links. So that is that I should readability, passive voice. Okay, and then we added the link. So I totally screwed up, and this is on me. Okay. So now, why domain hosts are not the same. So now I wasted the time putting that in there. Um, whoa, the passive voice. Okay, let's see, 28.6%. Um, okay. So I've just screwed up because um, because I didn't check. I should have checked right when it and um, okay. So we can copy this out. This is weird. Okay. Um, so, like, this is kind of a disaster, but geez, we learn from our failures too. So, um, this is gonna be. I'm having to rewrite the whole thing, and because I'm fighting with ChatGPT. So, heading, um, heading. Turn everything off in bold. Okay, let's see. Passive voice. Okay, the passive voice is definitely under. Um, and then kind of read through it. I don't see any M dashes. Okay, so next, now we know it's giving these errors. So next, and we are over on passive voice. So next to H2s, but remember yeah, so before it was giving me automatic well formatted H2s. Um, and now it's not. So whatever. Um, and we're up to, yeah, this one is really the hardest one I've run across so far as it not giving us, I mean, sometimes it's double green out the gate. And this is definitely not the case. So this could be all of a half hour to rewrite this thing. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Okay. It's still, it's green, but let's see how many. How many words we have here? Okay, 626. Keep going. This will throw a Yoast error. So I'm gonna put this in here and links that are broken, that'll be a broken link. Okay. Well, yeah, so far the ones I've done, this is actually definitely the most difficult. Okay, unbold it. Okay, and then how many, 732 words, so next to H2s and no passive voice. And we would spend an hour. All these links, they're suggesting it didn't follow the prompt. I said 4 or 5. It's doing a lot more than that. Um, always do, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Oops, I don't know what happened here. Okay. Um, it's putting that breaker in there. And I'm up to 22 minutes. This has been real. This has been a real challenge. Heading. And because I mean, part of the problem is I didn't check as it's spitting out content. Um, I didn't check to see the readability because a lot of times it's been okay. Here's another H2. Unbold it. Make it an H2. Um, and now we're still going to have to put in the majority, if I think all the links actually. Web. And this is bold. We, we don't want anything bold. And keep in mind, we're going to want some outer links on this. Okay, so now we're going to have to read. Yeah, we're at 25 minutes already. This has been a real nightmare. Okay. Expertise, web development. And then I get it from right here. WordPress. Okay, let's see, we're still green. I don't know. Okay, here. How about e-commerce development? Okay. And this isn't how I want. God, we can't spend an hour on the blog. I mean, that won't work. I mean, it would take us years to do this. Okay, so now, what was the key phrase? Okay, where is website hosted? Let's see now. Give me meta. And we are at like almost 27 minutes now. So this was a hard one. Oh, so we're double green, and we're at like 27 minutes. So we could even still have time. And yeah, these things would kill me if they're over 30 minutes. So we have to get it down. We have to get it down under. Let's see, tags. Oops. Tags. Social. Some of them have social. A lot of them don't. But let's just use the latest. The latest social. There's both X, which is the old Twitter, and Facebook. So both have different social. Okay, so this is a bad nightmare. At a half hour, 16 a day. That puts me on pace to have this done before the end of time. You know what the other one we'll do is, I don't know, where do we go here? Okay, remember to change this going into advanced, and I probably didn't change it for the past. So we'll have to change this if we're changing the um, slug. Okay, yeah, passive voice is a little bit over, but okay, here's the slug. I'm not going to change this, but keep in mind, if you change the slug, you have to come back in here and change the canonical URL. So that we could actually start to make like major things to check for, but we're good. We're at 30 minutes. Okay, thanks.